So let's start. The first topic is what is automata? So automata is nothing but algorithm to solve a problem implemented as a machine. So automata is in fact an algorithm. Automata is in fact an algorithm, and it is implemented as a machine. So before formally defined, last class we have formally defined automata. But before continue with that topic, let's take an example. Let's assume my alphabet is A comma B. My alphabet is A comma B. My word set is A comma B start. Right? Is it clear to you guys? My alphabet is A comma B. So we are done with defining alphabet. We cannot go beyond A and B. And my word is all the possible
স্যার
string I
পেজটা
can
একটু ডান
generate.
দিকে নেবেন।
Right? So my alphabet is A comma B, and my word set is all the possible strings can be generated using A comma B. Now let's define my language. Language is set of strings starts with
A.
A. Let's consider A. Simple one. Now, what is the algorithm to solve this problem? Can you tell me?
So
Let's write algorithm. How can I solve this problem to accept this language? How can I write the algorithm? Tell me, just plain English.
স্যার এমন সব স্ট্রিং গুলা কালেক্ট করতে হবে যেগুলোর প্রথমে এ থাকবে, আর প্রথমে
Yes.
যদি বি থাকে তাহলে সেটা নেওয়া যাবে না।
Oh, wonderful. So আমার সেটটা হচ্ছে A, A, B, A, A. This way it will continue. Am I right? So my first step is if string starts with A, we go to accepting state, and we remain in accepting state no matter comes after it. And I have another one. He already pointed out if string starts with B, we go to non-accepting state and remain there. And remains there no matter what comes. So how can you implement this algorithm in a machine? How can you implement this algorithm in a machine? Purely machine theoretically. How?
Sir, DSA?
DFA, yes. How can you construct a DFA? Tell me.
স্যার ট্রানজিশন ডায়াগ্রাম দিয়ে
Simple. Let's say that we have some bulb wire, nothing else. You have to find out a solution of this algorithm. How can you do that? So let's consider this. Let's assume I have a blue bulb over here, batti. Then I have a red bulb over here. And I have another blue bulb over here. Then what happened? I always start from here. So initially, the blue bulb is on. Then if I saw a, I will go to this red bulb, and this red bulb is on. Then whatever I get next, I don't care. I will always remain in this bulb state, and red bulb is always on. On the other hand, in the start stage, now I go into this if statement. If I get a B at the first, this one would be off, and this one would be on. And no matter what I get next, I would always remain here. So this is a simple circuit by which we can accept this language. Am I right or not?
জি স্যার
So this kind of things can be converted to transition diagram. We call it transition diagram. What would be the transition diagram? Each of this bulb is considered as a state. Bulb is called state. Going from one bulb to another bulb is called transition. Okay, red bulb is called
Accepting.
State.
final or accepting state. There is a special bulb where we start, that is called
ইনিশিয়াল স্টেট
initial or start
ইনিশিয়াল
state.
স্টেট
All right, guys. So now, if we formally convert this bulb diagram, bulb and wiring diagram to transition diagram, what would be the case? So this one is nothing but this, and this one is my start state. Am I right? This bulb is my start state. Do you agree with me or not?
জি স্যার
Yes, sir.
Start state is always denoted with a state with a arrow.
Arrows.
And this arrow comes from nowhere. You can also write epsilon over. So this is my start state. After that on, reading an A, I'm going to which state? Final state. Final state is denoted by double circle. And I always remain in the double circle no matter what I get next. Then from the start state, we are going to this if condition, this path. If we get a B, we will go to another state and we'll remain in there. Now let's call this A, call this B, call this B. So this is the transition diagram. আর এখানে একটা কাজ দিতে পারবো, all other bulbs are non-final or rejected. When I'm going to reject the string, tell me. When I'm going to reject the string,
Anything that starts with B. Any string that
starts
না স্যার, যে স্ট্রিংটা স্যার ইনিশিয়াল স্টেট থেকে শুরু করে যদি ফাইনাল স্টেটে না যেতে পারে তখন স্যার আমরা স্ট্রিংটা রিজেক্ট করে দেবো।
Wonderful. Initial state থেকে শুরু না করে any of the final state, if it does not go, then we can say
তাহলে স্যার
it rejects that string. Okay. And which string I'm going to accept?
স্যার
Start
final
state.
state
এ
Starting
Hmm.
from start state, which one is going to any of the final state? In this case, there is only one final state, but many other finite automatas that might have more than one final state. Is that clear to you?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's give you an example. Let's take an example. Let's take. Let's take A, B, A. Is this string going to be accepted by this automata or not?
Yes, sir. It starts with
Yes.
So we'll start from A. After seeing A, where should I go?
lowercase a.
Lowercase A.
A.
We are starting from this A, capital A. After seeing small a, where should I go?
B.
B, capital B.
In B.
Then after going to B, seeing another B, where should I go?
In B, same
B.
position.
B.
And seeing an A, I should be in B. B as a final state, so I'm going to accept this string. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We accept
sir.
this string. So it is inside this string is accepted. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? This string is accepted. What is the meaning of this? This string is ABA is inside belongs to language. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's take another string BAB. So we should start from where?
Sir, start from A.
Start from A. After seeing B, where should I go?
Sir, D.
D.
D. After seeing A, where should I go?
Sir, in same position D.
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 And D is not a final state. Am I right?
D, sir. D, sir.
So we are going to reject this.
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of this in language term? What is the meaning of this in
But
language
this is
term?
not belongs to L.
BAB not belongs to A.
L.
Not belongs
A.
to L. L.
D, sir.
Now tell me the answer of these two questions. A string accepted by a finite automata. What is the meaning of this? A string accepted by a finite automata. What is the meaning of this?
Belongs to language.
Belongs to language, of course. String belongs to language. That is the conclusion. But in finite automata terms, how can I define this? In finite automata term, how can you define this? What happened to finite automata? You have already answered that question. Starting from
A.
start state,
Sorry. Oh, start.
it reaches to
Final step.
one of the final steps.
One of the final step.
So that is the meaning of this. On the other hand, a language accepted by a finite automata. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
So starting from
Or a language.
start state.
This is a string, a single string. A language accepted by a finite automata. How can you define that one in finite automata terms? all strings belongs to L is accepted by finite automata. All strings. That means whenever you say this language, is accepted by this finite automata, what is the meaning of this? All the strings belongs to the language should be accepted by this finite automata. Am I right or not? If you take A, it should be accepted. If you take AB, it should be accepted. If you take AA, it should be accepted. If you take A, B, 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 A, that should be also accepted. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
As
Yes,
long
All
as
the
it
strings
satisfies the
should be
condition.
accepted. If you want a language is accepted by a finite automata, all the strings should be accepted by the finite automata. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
that
sir.
enough? Is that enough? Is there anything else? Is there anything else? How about the strings
No,
which
sir.
does not belongs to? How about strings which does not belongs to language? What would happen to those? All strings which does not belongs to language, what would happen to those in this finite automata?
Accept করবে না।
Excellent. Is rejected by finite automata.
Ji,
These
sir.
2 points both are important to language to be accepted. Please remember, both of these 2 points are accepted. Many good books does not mention about the second point. Many good books, but it is very important. Why? For example, take this finite automata. What is this finite automata? What is this finite automata? What are the strings accepted by this finite automata?
Sir, A and B, all strings.
Huh? What are the strings accepted by this finite automata?
All strings.
All strings.
No matter which string you can generate by alphabet A, comma P, all those strings are accepted by this finite automata. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you take
Yes,
this
sir.
language, AB, AA, ABA, is this 3 strings accepted by this finite automata?
Yes,
Is
sir.
this 3 strings accepted by this
sir.
finite automata?
Yes, sir.
But is this actually the solution of this language? Is this the solution of this language? Is this finite automata is solution of this language? Please answer the question.
The strings are starting from A, right?
হ্যাঁ,
তাহলে স্যার is this solution হবে না?
yes, all this AB can be accepted by this, AA can be accepted by this, ABA is accepted by this. So my question is this language accepted by this finite automata or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
sir.
How about this? BAA does not belongs to this language. BAA does not belongs to this language. Is this string accepted by this finite automata or not?
No.
Then
No,
how come this language is accepted by this finite automata? How about the second point? What is the second point? What is the second point?
all strings not belonging to language is rejected.
So is it rejecting all the strings not belongs to L?
Yes, sir.
আবার বলে yes sir, কিভাবে
No,
রিজেক্ট
sir.
করতেছে? আবার বলেন no sir. BAA is accepted by this finite automata or not? Listen carefully. BAA is accepted by this finite automata or not?
Sir, yes.
BAA is accepted by this, huh?
No, sir.
BAA is not accepted by this finite automata. Are you sure? Let's
Yes,
take
sir,
this.
it's not. Lamar.
No, it is not. No. Let's start with A. They start with A. We get B. Why should I go?
Sir, A.
Then I get another A. Why should I go?
Sir, again
I got another A. Why should I go?
In A.
What is A? Final state.
Yes, sir.
So should it accept it or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it should accept.
But BA belongs to L or not?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, belongs
sir.
to Quran.
No, sir.
No, sir. Tale, is the second point broken or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is not the implementation of this language. Am I right or not?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So remember, both of these 2 points are important. All strings belongs to L is accepted by finite automata. All string not belongs to L is rejected by the finite automata. Remember, both of these 2 points are important. Done? Do you have any question?
So to be a solution,
No,
both
sir.
of the criteria have to be fulfilled.
We have to fill up both of these 2 criteria. Yes, both of these 2 criteria. One criteria is not enough. Done? Should I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, finite automata can be represented by quintuple. What is the quintuple? Q,
Q, sigma, delta,
delta,
Q naught,
Q naught,
F.
and what is Q? What is Q?
Set of
Sir, set of all strings.
Set of all strings, set of states.
Oh, sorry, sir. Set of all set of
What is
state.
sigma?
Sir,
Alphabet.
sigma is
set
of
input alphabet.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. This is the start state. This is the final state. And delta is called transition function. Okay. Now we have also talked about finite automata classification. Milli machine, moon
How to
machine,
simulate line? First term.
DFA, NFA, these are the classification of finite automata. So we'll start from DFA. So let's go back to previous example. My alphabet is A comma B. My W is what is my automata? All right. So here, what is my Q? Set of Q. What is Q? What is Q?
A, B, D.
A, B, D. A, B, D. What is my alphabet? A,
A.
comma B. What is Q naught? A.
Starts with A,
What is F? B.
B.
Now let's talk about delta. In finite automata, DFA, delta is nothing but Q cross sigma go to Q, a function. A function. Okay, guys? So what is Q cross sigma in this finite automata?
So Cartesian product.
Cartesian product. Cartesian product of this and this. What would be the case? A comma A comma B, B comma a couple, creating a couple. B comma A, B comma B, then T comma A and T comma B. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
What is Q?
So A, B, D.
A, B, D. Now, the first one, the first member of couple is considered the current state. Okay? Current state. So whenever I am in A, and this second A is considered as the transition letter. Okay? So I'm in currently A, seeing A. What would be my transition?
B.
So
B.
it should be connected to B. Is it clear to you guys? Currently,
Yes, sir.
I'm in A.
Yes, sir.
Seeing A, I should go to B. So this is the transition. Right? The same way, A seeing B, where should I go?
D.
D.
Then, if I am in B state, if my transition letter is A, where should I go?
B.
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 If I'm in B, my transition letter is B, where should I go?
B.
B.
If I'm in C to my D. If I'm in D, seeing A, where should I go? D. If I'm in D, seeing B, where should I go?
D.
D.
Is it a function or not?
Yes.
It is a function.
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is a DFA. All the elements in domain are used, and only one arrow goes from each element of domain. So what is the catch of this? When you can, what should you do to draw a finite automata, DFA, deterministic finite automata? Tell me. Can you tell me?
Be a function.
We have to draw a function. It means from each state, you have to specify transition for all the letters in alphabet. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes,
take
sir.
example A has transition for all the alphabets, for A and B. If you take B has transition for A and B. For taking D, it has transition for A and B. And for each letter, there might not have multiple transition. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Taking any state,
Yes, sir.
it should have transition on all the letters in the alphabet. A has transition on A has transition on B has transition on A, B has transition on B has transition on A, D has transition on B. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So it
Yes,
would
sir.
need to be
Yes, sir.
exhaustive.
Yes,
But
sir.
A comma A should have only one transition. A comma A should have only one transition. A comma B should have only one transition. B comma A should have only one transition. By the definition of function. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, if A
Yes,
has
sir. Yes,
another
sir.
transition to D, seeing A, is it DFA?
No, sir.
Because AA
No,
has
sir.
another transition that is nothing but D. Am I right? Now, it is no longer function by definition. Clear or not? So remember, all
Yes,
the
sir.
members of the Q cross sigma should be used. A should have transition on A and B both. B should have transition on A and B both. D should transition on A and B both. And for each letter in alphabet, that should not have more than one transition from one state to another state. Is it right or not? So if you join this line, it is no longer DFA. Done?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
Sir, is it because they are fulfilling a path? That's why that cannot be a function.
It is not fulfilling a
Is that path? I mean, it's generating a path. Full
generative.
path.
No,
So,
that is not the case. Go to definition of function. 2 questions, yes and no. Go to that question. What is the questions? What are the questions? All the elements in the first set should be used. So all should have a transition.
Right?
I mean, I don't understand one thing. Why don't you people not prepared? Why don't you people asking the previous classes questions? What is wrong with you guys? Why don't you study at home? Why don't you study at home? What are you doing at home actually? Gossiping and Facebooking? Googling? এটা কে ছিল? Who is that girl?
sir, I was just asking that because
Oh
I had,
yeah, now tell me, what are those two questions of definition of function?
sir, A elements থেকে সবগুলো হচ্ছে মিট করতে হবে and another set
A element থেকে A element
মানে
থেকে
মানে আমরা যে A এর states গুলো নিচ্ছি ওগুলো সব মিট করতে হবে and the second
tell me the definition of function. Forget about this example. What is the definition of function? If there are two sets A and B, what is the definition of function? What is the definition of function in these two sets?
so it has to generate a relationship with each other.
Yes, function is a relation, but it is a special type of relation. What type of relation is this?
One-to-one relation.
One-to-one relation is called function. One-to-one is a special type of function. What is the general definition of function? Come on. If you don't study the previous classes, then how can I continue? Come on.
Sir, I mailed you something.
Why not you checking the lecture notes? My previous
Sorry.
lecture notes.
Sir, I checked and I mailed you. I guess you didn't get it.
What is your mail? What is your mail about? How
Sir,
about the other guys? Other guys. Shams Telahi, what is the definition of function? Shams,
Function is
what is the definition of function?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the definition of function?
Sir, function. Sir,
Yes.
function basically, sir, something with the relation between an input and output.
Okay. What type of relation? What is the specialty about function?
Sir, all the outputs have one particular input.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Really?
Yes, yes, sir.
Who told you this definition? Is there anybody who can tell me the definition of function?
Sir, like the element in A is in B. That is one condition.
Sir,
No. Wait. Shams, wait. That is not definition of function. That is not definition of function. What is the definition of function?
Sir,
All
can I
the
check?
elements elements in A should be used. Am I right?
Yes, and once.
Yes, a binary relation between two sets.
All the elements in A should be used. Number
Yes.
1 point. And
Yes,
second
sir.
point is any element in A does not connect to multiple elements in B. Am I
B.
right or not?
Yes, sir.
So this one is a function because all the elements in A is used and no element in A is connected to multiple element in B. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Now if B has another relation with E, is it function?
No.
No, sir.
Because it has multiple element. Now
Yes.
if you take another element D, if I don't use D, is it a function?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir, because it violates the first question. Now, this girl, this is actually this. After Cartesian product, I get A, comma B, B, comma A, B, comma B, C, D, comma A, D, comma B, and in Q, I have A, B, D. So, according to definition of function, all these couples should be used. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And
Yes.
any couple cannot connect the multiple elements in Q. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, without this, the two criteria is fulfilled. That's why it's a function, and that's why it is a DFA. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But when I create another path, what happened? A, comma A connected to B, A, comma A connected to D. More than one elements in B. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it's not
Yes,
a function.
Is it any longer function?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then it is no longer DFA as well. Did you get it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's continue. Let's give some examples. My sigma is even number of 0. So how can you draw this? Even number of 0. What would be the algorithm? What would be the algorithm? Tell me. Say something. Come on.
Sir, we have to start with first start state A, then move to
Even number of 0. What would be the how can we classify the number of 0? How can we classify the number of 0? How can we classify the number of 0? Number of 0 can be even and number of 0 can be
Odd.
odd. So it is nothing but this. Epsilon 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is 0. This is 1, 2 number of 0. Then what else? 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, so on. 4 number of 0. Okay, guys? This way it will continue. So, entire finite automata can be divided to two parts. One state is even number of 0. Another part is what? What is another
Odd number
part?
of 0.
Odd number.
Odd
of 0.
number.
So we have start from here. Initially, we don't have any 0. Is it even or odd?
Even.
Because no 0. That means 0 number of 0. 0 number of 0. Epsilon. So it is even. After getting 1, 1, 1, 0, where should I go? I have 1, 0. That is
Odd.
So I will go over there. Then if I get another 0, what should I come?
Even.
Two number
So
of
you-
zeros. So I should come over here. Then I get it together 1. So this is my case. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
What would be the final state? This one. Am I right or not?
স্যার একটু পেপারটা উপরে করেন
Now,
আর একটু স্যার Yes, thank you.
now tell me, is it right or not? Here, 0, number of 0, then 1 number of 0, then 2 number of 0, 3 number of 0, 4 number of 0, 5 number of 0, 6 number of 0. So after coming back to this state, we always get even number of 0. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So it should be the final state.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it a DFA?
No.
Is it a DFA?
Yes.
Yes. Can you go to definition of function?
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Why it is not a DFA?
এর সাথে বি কানেক্টেড আবার বির সাথে এ কানেক্টেড
But
সমস্যা কোথায়?
হ্যাঁ সেটাই এটা এটা ডিএফএ হবে আই গেস
ও হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
এটা DFA?
এর সাথে তার মাল্টিপল কানেকশন
আচ্ছা, what is the definition of function or DFA? Can you recall that?
স্যার একটা এ এর সাথে তো মানে A0 আবার A0 দুইবার হচ্ছে, তাহলে তো স্যার এটা হওয়ার কথা না।
মাল্টিপল টাইম ইউজ হচ্ছে
A
মাল্টিপল টাইম ইউজ হচ্ছে, বিও
কোথায়
মাল্টিপল টাইম
কোথায় A মাল্টিপল টাইম ইউজ হচ্ছে? কোথায়?
স্যার A থেকে 0 গেল
কাপলটা
একবার।
কি? Wait, what is the couple? A, 0 connected to B and এটা হচ্ছে B, 0 connected to A. Are the same couple? Are the same couple?
No.
So why is multiple times a single couple is used?
স্যার যদি দুইটা 0 হয় তাহলে কি হবে, মানে চারটা 0 যদি হয়?
কি A00 হবে?
আমার কথা একটা একটা করে কোশ্চেন, কোথায় মাল্টিপল টাইম ইউজ হলো? কোশ্চেন এর আনসার, why it is multiple time used? Come on. Why it is multiple time used? You are asking the question, why not you telling anything? Why it is multiple time used? Where?
नहीं।
No. But tell me, is it DFA or not? Is it DFA or not? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
আচ্ছা তাহলে A, 1 এর ট্রানজিশনটা কোথায়? Where is A, 1 transition? Where is B, 1 transition? Where are those?
আরেকটা স্টেপ দিতে হবে
Okay, right. So it is still now it is not DFA. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
It is not DFA. Okay. So now number of 1, are they important or not important? Number of 1, are they important, not important? For
Sir,
example,
not
epsilon, wait. Epsilon, how many zero are there?
0.
Then
0.
1, how many 0 are there?
0
0.
1, how many 1 are there?
0.
1, how many 0 are there?
0.
0
So number of 1, are they important or not important?
Not important.
So whenever I'm in a even state position, I don't care what is 1. So just give a transition over here. Same way, whenever I'm in odd number of zeros, I don't care about 1. So give a transition over there. Now is it becomes a DFA or not?
Yes.
sir.
A, 1 has a transition on A, B, 1 has a transition on B. So now it has become a DFA. Is that clear to you guys?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to next example. My sigma is number of 0 and 1 is even. Number of 0 and 1 is even. What is the least string? What is the least string? Number of 0 and 1 is even.
0, just now.
Epsilon. Then what is the next one?
0011.
0011.
Oh no, 01.
What else?
10.
10.
10.
Then
0 0 11.
Then what is the next one? 0 0 0 0. So on. Right?
Yeah.
So how can you come up with the algorithm? How can you come up with the algorithm?
0 0 টা কেমনে ইভেন হলো লাইক 1 0 টা হলো না
1 0 টা কোথায় হলো না? 1 0 তো দিয়েছে।
না স্যার তার পরেরটা একটা 0 0 দিলেন না তারপর কম ওখানে তো 1
আচ্ছা
দুটো
আপনার
0 আছে
প্রশ্নটাই কনফিউজ। নাম্বার অফ 0 and 1 is even মানে নাম্বার অফ 0 1 together is 0. Together is even. Is that clear now? Is it clear now?
Yes sir, yes sir.
The number of their summation is even.
Okay sir.
Is it clear now? Now what would be the algorithm? What would be the algorithm? What would be the algorithm? How can we can differentiate number of 0 and 1 together in two parts? Am I right? What are the two parts? What are the two parts?
Even and odd.
Even and odd.
Okay. So number of 0 plus 1 is even. Number of 0 plus 1 is odd. Starting from here, epsilon. Okay. Then after getting a 0, where should I go?
Odd.
From even, if I get another letter, then it should be odd. So I should go over odd. After going to odd, if I get another letter, why should I come back?
Even.
Now what would be this transition? Right now I have even number of 0 and 1. If I get a 0, then number of total 0 and 1 would become what? Even or odd? Let's assume I have this. Here I have 0 1 0 1. Suddenly I got a 0. Then what should I go?
So odd.
The number become odd. If I get 0 comma 0 1, if I get here 1, what should I go?
Odd.
Odd. So 0 1 both should be odd. After going to odd state, if I get a 0, now what happened? Number of even and number of 0 and 1 together becomes what? Even, right?
Even.
So I should come back to here. And if I get 1, still I should come back here. So which one would be final state?
Even.
It starts stage setting.
Got it? Is that clear to you guys? Do you have any question? You can ask. Is it DFA? Is it DFA?
Sir, not yet.
Same
It is not
state
DFA. Wait. A question, a answer gulo ke dicche? It is not DFA. Who told me this thing? Who told me this thing? Okay, tell me, please. How is this not DFA?
স্যার এতে কেউ বলে নাই।
Nah, who tell me it is not DFA? Someone wants to tell me it is not DFA. Why it is not DFA? I'm asking you. Why it is not DFA? Why it is not DFA? Tell me. What's wrong with this then? Is it DFA or not?
Yes, sir.
Why it is DFA? Tell me now. Why it is DFA?
A0 B তে যায়, A1 B তে যায়, so different. আবার B0 A তে যায়, B1 A তে যায়. So
Different. What do you mean? What do you mean by
intersect করছে না.
No, no. What do you mean by different? What is
As in
different?
intersect করছে না.
ডিফারেন্ট মানে বাইনারি রিলেশনশিপ হচ্ছে একটার সাথে একটা, একটার সাথে একটা,
একটার সাথে
একটার সাথে একটা।
intersect করছে না কোনটা।
একটার সাথে একটা যদি না হয় তাহলে কি DFA হবে না?
তাহলে ফাংশন হবে না।
না, তাহলে ফাংশন হবে না।
স্যার একই ইনপুট স্টেট থেকে ডিফারেন্ট স্টেট আউটপুট স্টেটে যাওয়া যাবে না।
Functional definition is not clear to you guys.
Sir, clear.
The function definition is not clear to you guys. Why it is a function relation? Tell me. Why it is a function relation? Why it is function? Why it is function? Why it is function?
স্যার সবগুলা ডোমেন ইউজ করা হচ্ছে এন্ড সবগুলা ডোমেনের ম্যাক্সিমাম একটা আউটপুট আছে।
Okay, wonderful. Can you explain how this is happening here? What is the domain here?
স্যার ডোমেনগুলো 0 A0 A1 B0 B1।
ফ্যান্টাস্টিক। সবগুলো আমরা ব্যবহার করেছি। আর সেকেন্ড ক্রাইটেরিয়াটা কি?
সবগুলো ডোমেন থেকে ম্যাক্সিমাম আউটপুট একটা যেতে পারবে।
একটাতে যাচ্ছে। তাহলে A0 থেকে যাচ্ছে কেবলমাত্র কোথায়? B তে। A1 থেকে যাচ্ছে B তে। তারপর B0 থেকে যাচ্ছে এতে। Right. So this is the definition of function. So that's why it's the function. Is it clear to you? এইটা কার কার ক্লিয়ার হয় না এই ডেফিনেশনটা? Please tell me. Okay, if you don't answer question, that's fine. I'm going to think you people understand. Now let's go to here. A comma B. You don't study nothing at home, so how can you come up with this kind of one of the most toughest courses in CSC? Let's go back to this example. My alphabet is A comma B, W is A comma B star. My language is length of all strings, length of A in the string is equal to 2. Is the question clear to you guys? All strings where number of A in the string is equal to 2. So what is the first example? What is the first example? A B তে এর সংখ্যা কি দুইটা? All strings where number of A in the string is 2.
Sorry sir, number of A. So তাহলে স্যার A
sir AAB.
AAB. What is the least string? The smallest string.
Sir, double A. AA.
Double
No,
A.
sir. A.
A. Why A? Who said A? Who said A? Tell me. Come on, are you disturbing or doing something else? Now tell me, who is that person? Before telling the answer, please think. Now let's get back again. What is the list string?
Sir,
What is the list string? Huh? What is the list string?
Double A.
Double A. Then what is the next one?
AAB.
Double AB.
এবি কিভাবে এর সংখ্যা দুটো হয় এবিতে?
না স্যার, ডাবল এ বি।
ডাবল এবি, ফাইন, দেন
Triple A.
why triple A? Who is that guy? Tell me, who is that guy?
স্যার আমি
Please think before answer. Please think.
স্যার ABA.
ABA, fantastic. Then
BAA.
BAA, so on. Am I right?
yes
So
sir.
what would be the algorithm? Tell me. What would be the algorithm? Okay, so now let's learn a trick. This trick is called drawing skeleton first. Drawing skeleton first. What is the skeleton? Skeleton is called the least member in the language. Least length member in the language. So what is the skeleton here?
AA.
AA. So try to solve this least length string first. So what would be the incomplete automata for AA? So we'll start from here. Epsilon. I get a A. I should go over here. Getting another A. Why should I go? I should go over here, and it should be the accepting string.
Final
Am I right or not? Now this is called skeleton. This is the skeleton for least length string. Then try to make up this one. Is number of B important here?
No, sir.
No
So,
sir.
Here I don't care how many B I got. After getting 1A, so this is 0 number of A, this is 1A, this is 2A. After getting 1A, I don't care how many B I get. It is unnecessary. After getting 2A, I don't care how many B I got. Not necessary. Done. Is it complete DFA or not?
স্যার নো স্যার, কারণ স্যার
Why not?
স্টেট তো স্যার এখন
Wonderful.
ফাইনাল স্টেট তো স্যার এখন
হয়ে গেল। Yes, yes, yes,
হলে কোথায়
absolutely
হবে?
right. A has movement on A and B. B has movement on A and B. C has movement on only B. So if I get another A, where should I go?
Sir, in second is
Let's go to 3 number of A, right?
yes,
After that, and if I get another A, where should I go?
Sir, E.
4 number of A. If I get another one, what should I go? 5 number of A. But I only need this state to accept. So instead of drawing again and again, same state, same type of state, just remove this and call it greater than 2 number of A state. Okay, guys? And complete it over here. Is it DFA right now? Is
sir,
it
last
DFA
part
right
sir
now?
আবার
Yes,
একটু
sir.
যদি বলতেন।
A has transition on AB. বলছি A has transition on AB, B has transition on AB, C has transition on AB, D has transition on AB. So it is done, complete. Now what happened? Instead of always creating new state from 3 number of A, 4 number of A, 5 number of A, just stop over here and consider it is greater than twice A. Then finish here. Because I don't require more than 2A states. I don't require more than 2A states. So I'm going to stop over here. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the minimal DFA for this language. Is it clear to you guys?
Sir, will you please explain how it is DFA?
Do I have condition on both? Do I have transition on both?
Yes, sir.
B comma A, B comma B. Do I have condition on both?
Yes sir.
C comma A, C comma B. Do I have condition on both?
Yes, sir.
Do you have transition on both? Okay. Now, D comma A, D comma B. Do you have transition on both?
Yes, sir.
So all the elements in the domains are used. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. But it will continue if the number of A's increase.
It will continue if number of A increments.
So if we add another transition like 7A or 8A's.
It will always remain in this state.
Oh, sir, greater than twice. Yes, sir.
Greater than twice. Instead of writing 3A, 4A, 5A, this way continue, I write it greater than twice A and make this state.
So it will remain in D state.
It will always remain in D because I don't require any more states. Because up to counting 2A is fine. More than 2A, then go to hell. I don't care. Is it right to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you understand this DFA. Okay. Should we continue? Should we continue?
Yes, sir.
Before, this is a good question, but before answering yes, no, saying yes, no, this thing that whether I am correct or not. Without thinking, don't say anything. You
Sir.
people are, let me finish. Human being is called Ashraful Makhluqat. It is a very important Arabic phrase, and it is also in Quran. It means the best creation of God. It means you have thinking capability. Why don't you think? You should think before answering. Let's take this alphabet. Let's take this language.
Sir, is this start the clam star?
Huh? Clan
So you
star
talked
means,
about clam.
huh? Clan star, yes, it is clan star.
Yes, sir.
What happened to clan star?
Sir, will you please explain this concept, please?
You did not attend the first class?
Yes, sir. Sir, but I'm a little confused with this clam star.
Okay, so clan star is nothing but epsilon a a, so on. So star can be replaced with 0, 1, 2, 3, any number. Is it clear to you guys? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then A comma B star is what? A comma B star is any number of A and any number of B. Any number of A and any number of B. Okay? So any string would be inside this. Can be any strings which can be generated using A and B can be there. How this could be possible? Let's take BBA, BB. So at first I take B, generate this, then I take another B, then I take another A, then I take another B, then I take another B. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
So it is something like this. BBA, BB. So I use this set how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. A comma B, A comma B, A comma B, A comma B, and A comma B. Because star can be replaced with any number. Am I right? So when I want to generate this thing, at the first one, which one I have taken?
B.
B. Second time I have taken B. Third time I have taken A. Fourth time I have taken B. Fifth time I have taken B. So that's how I generate BBAB. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cluster is nothing but 0 or more appearance. Nothing else. Now let's take it. All strings, number of A plus number of B smaller than equal to 3. So what would be my skeleton? What would be my skeleton? What would be the list string? Number of
Empty
A, smaller or equal
Sir,
to 3?
empty string. Empty string.
Wonderful. Then next one.
AB?
How about A? Only A.
Only A, yeah.
How about only B?
Yes,
Then what is the next?
AA.
AB, BA, BB. Then AAA, AAB, ABA, ABB. Then BAA, BAB, BBA, BBB. Any more? Any
No,
more?
sir.
If you take any more, then it would become greater than 3. Am I right? So these are the all string.
Yes,
So
sir.
what would be my skeleton? In this case, you will take skeleton as this one, the bigger one. If the problem says smaller than something, you will take the bigger one as skeleton. So how can you implement AAA? Starting from here, seeing A, why should I go here? Seeing another A, why should I go here? Seeing another A, why should I go here? Right? What is this string generating? This is actually, what is this state? What is this state? Number of A plus B is 0. How about this? Number of A plus B is 1.
1.
How about this? Number of A plus B is 2. How about this? Number of A plus B is 3. So from 0, seeing A, why should I go? Number of A plus B is 1. After coming here, seeing another A, why should I go? Number of B, A plus B is 2. After seeing A, why should I go? Number of A plus B is 3. Now, instead of A, what would be the transition on B from here? What would be the transition? If I am in this state, if I see a B, where should I go?
Sir,
Same
same
হবে empty থেকে B পেলাম, number of A plus B is 1. এখান থেকে আবার B পেলাম, good, very good. Number of A plus B is 2. এখান থেকে আবার একটা B পেলাম, আমি number of A plus B equal to 3. Is it a DFA? Is it a DFA? In this state, I have transition on A comma B. In this state, I have transition on A comma B. In this state, I have transition on A comma B. In this state, what happened? In this state, I don't have any transition on A comma B. So what should I do?
Sir, new state বানাতে
If I
হবে
get
একটা।
any more A comma B, what should I go? I should go to this state. Now, number of A comma B is greater than 3. Greater than 3. Let's consider greater than 3.
Yes, sir.
Do I need any more states?
No, sir.
Because
No, sir.
the highest one is 3. If we go more than 3, then I should always remain in this state. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
What are the final states over here?
A, B, C, E.
Wonderful. So A, B, C, E, all are final states. So we should stop here today. Do you have any question?
So is this a DFA, sir?
Of course it's a DFA. Of course it's a DFA. What's wrong with this one? Why don't it is a DFA? I have transition on A comma B. I have transition on B, A comma B. I have transition on C, A comma B. I have transition on E, A comma B. I have transition on D, A comma B. Last state always remain to each state. Always repeating.
So should we include D? So because
Should
it
we
is
include
greater
B?
than 3.
Smaller than equal to 3. Smaller than equal to 3. 0. 0. It is 0. Number of A plus B is 0. This is number of A plus B is 1. This is number of A plus B is 2. This is number of A plus B is 3. So shouldn't we include B? A comma B. Is the question clear?
Should we include D? D. So D number.
D. Why should
Yes,
we
sir.
include D? If we go to D, then it would be more than 3. Why should we include D? Smaller than equal to 3. If we go over here, A, how many A are there? 4. Should we include 4A? Okay, that's the
No,
D should
sir.
not be included. Okay? Any more question?
No, sir.
Okay, we should stop here today. From this week, I'm going to give you homework. First page, there will be homework. Second page, there will be solution. Please don't look the solution first. Try to do by yourself, the homework first, then see the solution. Those are not marked, so don't worry. Try to solve those problems. Is it clear to you?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
Where
sir.
is Sweetie Borua? Sweetie? Sweetie is present today? Sweetie?
Yes, sir, I'm present.
How about the